difference between being right and being rich. Being right might be, standing on that point of, we're going to be this gritty little spot, and that's fine, be that. But the places that are expanding and that are opening up second and third locations, they've recognized that there's a hospitality aspect to the whole thing. The product is good. What else is good? Is there, live music is a really common thing that's pretty easy to do. Do people like coming to play trivia? Is there cornhole tournaments? A friend of mine that runs a tap room in Vallejo does. It's a huge community builder at his brewery, and it's bringing in people. Like their sales are going up because they made this minor investment and put a couple things up on social media of like, hey, we're going to do a weekly cornhole tournament, and then we're going to do teams, we're going to bracket it, we're going to have a championship, we're going to have a trophy. All of a sudden, for this very, very low amount of effort, they've got now 150 new customers that are coming in every couple of days at this point. And that's the mentality that it takes. Is like, what can you give people that they're going to remember, and what are they going to tell their friends about? And hospitality definitely comes into that. And I'm always going to lean into hospitality because that's been my life.
Right.
It's asking them if they're, finding out if somebody wants another beer before they have to come to you, recognizing an empty glass on a table, getting out from behind the bar, whatever it takes. It's not just having activations. It's not just having good pricing and all that. It's really, you're going to make more revenue if you have a really cool place that people want to hang out in. That I think is the bottom line.